We want to be the leading collaboration platform in solving practical and scientific complex supply chain challenges by empowering talent. And today, of course, we start a new community Servitization. And I must say I'm very proud that I'm standing here now before you.
What is Servitization? Transformation of a firm from taking a product to taking a service-centric approach. So services become more central. And why are companies doing that? Because they expect added value from that. 75% is expecting servitization is becoming more important. Only 30% has a strategy in place.
We changed our organization, working in teams, agile teams, which all sit together and which have every day the first question is, do I understand my client, and who is my client, what is he asking, and are the things that we are doing today, are they really in front of what the client needs?
What we would like to do in the future is to organize more focused workshops on specific topics that you as a company are interested in, and to discuss that into more detail. Both from a practical side, so with company presentations, best lessons learned, but also from an academic side. So what can we learn from an academic perspective, also with the help of student projects, but also our own research projects, and that bring that together and learn in the end.